Every jar begins with fruit kissed by the morning sun.
Each fruit is chosen at peak ripeness.
The harvest is a symphony of color and care. From field to facility, speed and care travel together.
Every crate carries the promise of sweetness inside.
The journey from farm to factory is precise and purposeful. Every batch is inspected before it leaves the orchard. Morning light captures the freshness we preserve.
Attention to detail ensures each fruit stays perfect.
Every kilometer keeps the fruit fresh. A human touch accompanies every batch.
Nature and industry meet on this journey.
Each fruit is a jewel of flavor waiting to be unlocked. Each fruit is a jewel of flavor waiting to be unlocked.
Is the manifest in order?
Yes, you are cleared.
Controlled entry ensures quality from the start.
And so, the fruit enters the heart of production. The journey continues as crates move toward.
A smooth handoff ensures no fruit is damaged in transit.
Each crate carries freshness into the heart of production.
Every berry must meet strict standards before moving on.
The factory interior welcomes the fruit for transformation. Alignment ensures a seamless start to processing.
From orchard path to industrial hall, the journey is seamless.
Multiple batches merge into one steady procession.
Traceability ensures every jar has a documented origin.
The first industrial touch cleanses the fruits for processing.
Every turn guides the fruit closer to transformation.
Equipment orchestrates the flow as seamlessly as hands. Precision ensures each berry arrives intact.
Clean and ready, the fruit enters the core of production. Every harvest finds its way to the heart of production. A name that promises quality and care.
The journey continues as transport meets facility. The interior environment is meticulously prepared for processing.
Light guides the fruit into its first industrial touch. Supervision ensures every crate meets production standards. Guided by rules, the fruit enters its transformation journey. Purity is the first ingredient in every jar. Human eyes ensure only the finest berries move forward. Every berry is meticulously examined before transformation. Careful handling preserves the fruit's integrity.
Even the smallest detail matters in preserving perfection.
From line to hopper, the journey continues seamlessly. Even motion is engineered for gentle precision.
Technology guides the fruit, preserving its natural form.
Precision in speed ensures no fruit is wasted. Human oversight complements industrial efficiency. Flow is continuous, unbroken, from orchard to factory heart.
Cleaned and inspected, they are ready for transformation.
Every berry that moves forward carries the promise of sweetness. Sorted, washed, and perfect, ready for the heart of production. The heart of production begins as berries gather for transformation.
Motion is engineered to preserve natural form while preparing for processing.
Gentle crushing releases the vibrant fruit essence within. Texture and color preserved, ready for the alchemy of cooking. Steam and heat awaken the natural sugars and flavors. Transformation begins as heat melds fruit into jam. Even motion is measured, ensuring smooth texture. Monitoring guarantees quality, batch after batch. From vat to belt, the journey continues seamlessly.
Filtration ensures the perfect mouthfeel for every spoonful.
Hands and sensors together confirm the perfect consistency. Ingredients meet in precise proportions, blending science with nature. Even motion ensures uniform sweetness in every jar.
Precision in temperature ensures jam perfection.
Batch by batch, the fruit transforms into jam.
A choreographed industrial ballet turns fruit into sweetness. Every stream is monitored to maintain consistency and quality.
From crushed fruit to luscious jam, the transformation is complete. Heat transforms the pulp into the perfect consistency of jam.
Precision valves regulate flow for uniform texture. Natural flavors are integrated carefully, preserving purity. Even motion ensures every jar tastes the same perfection. Heat and time perfect the natural sweetness of the fruit.
Every batch is measured to maintain consistency and quality.
Smoothness is achieved through careful mechanical blending. Every particle is evenly integrated for perfect spreadability.
Hands-on verification complements automated precision. Natural pectin sets the structure, giving jam its perfect consistency.
Every swirl is a step toward the final product. Holding tanks maintain ideal conditions for the next stage. A synchronized haul ensures each batch moves forward efficiently. Precision ensures every jar delights the palate.
Taste and texture are verified before the final step.
Perfectly blended, the jam is ready for the precision of automation. Automation takes over, moving jars with exact precision.
Every jar receives the perfect portion, measured to the gram. Consistency and shine are hallmarks of quality production.
Automation seals freshness with exacting care.
Every jar is scanned to ensure perfection reaches the consumer. Labels carry the brand and the promise of quality. A human eye complements automated precision. Safety is built into every stage of production. Every movement is controlled to preserve quality. Advanced optics catch what the eye cannot.
Automation links every stage seamlessly.
Even in automation, human oversight ensures perfection.
Every detail is verified, from label to lid. Protection and presentation go hand in hand. Efficiency and care converge in the final automated stage.
Every pallet is carefully handled for final storage.
The finishing line feeds seamlessly into storage and delivery.
Presentation and content are scrutinized with precision. Only the best reach this stage, ready for distribution. Protection is applied before storage or dispatch. Organization and precision ensure smooth operations.
Human oversight complements machinery in the final stage. The final stage ensures every jar is ready for delivery.
Logistics meet production to bring the product to market.
Careful loading ensures every jar arrives intact.
Stacking efficiency maximizes safety and space.
The journey from orchard to consumer is complete.
Every step in this facility is orchestrated for excellence.
Human skill and automation combine to deliver perfection.